Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to make some zucchini boats, and I have my daughter who's going to help me. This is one of our favorite dinner meals, and we are going to be needing zucchini. I gotta wash these and we gotta do a lot of prepping, which takes about maybe 15 minutes and then 35 minutes to cook. But this is very simple and easy and very tasty, right? Okay,
my favorite.
Right?
Yeah.
But okay, let's just go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
Okay, so to do this recipe, you're gonna need some zucchini. I usually do 1 zucchini per person. So that's me, Adriana, Abel, CJ, Chris, and 1 for lunch for Chris to take tomorrow, so I don't have to get up too early to make him lunch. And then you're also going to need some guacamole, but I bought it already made because it's just so much easier and faster, and to be honest it's way cheaper because this is only like $3. And then you're gonna need your crema, cilantro, onions, tomato, jalapeno, and garlic to make your pico de gallo. And then we also have our washed rice as well. So let's go ahead and start this first because it does take a little bit longer, and then we'll move on to our zucchini. Starting with the rice. Add some olive oil, and I'm just going to cut, hopefully you guys can see me, I'm just going to cut 1/4 of this onion because I don't know, I like to put this in my rice. It just adds more flavor to it. And also a spoon of garlic. So while I do this, Adriana, can you wash these for me?
Sure.
Wash all those for me. While she does that, we'll get started with the onion and the garlic, and then our rice.
Mine.
So we're just gonna use 1/4 of it. Hopefully that's 1/4 because I don't really know, but.
Wait, can we get a bowl?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's probably faster if we do it like that.
Ow.
Oh my god. If you can hear my voice in the background, they're playing the game, so. This is real life moments, cooking for dinner.
Don't mind them.
Right?
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna use that much of onion. It was actually a lot. That's a big old onion, so.
Yeah, I really like onions.
I'm just to use a little bit, right? Okay, and then a spoon.
A spoon of garlic.
A spoon of garlic.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't know why when I was younger, like 8, no not 8, like 6 or 7, I always forget like which was onion or garlic. Oh my god, I forget.
I don't know if y'all do this, but anytime you cook with onion or garlic, makes the house smell so good. So I use it almost on all of my recipes. Every time I cook, it is always onion and garlic. So good. You like the smell too?
Yeah. Onion and garlic smells good.
Then I have my baby girl washing the zucchini for us.
I'm not a baby.
She's my baby.
I'm gonna turn 10.
Okay, so here's the onion and the garlic. I just cooked this until the onion is like a transparent color. And let me tell you, it smells so good already. Okay, now that this has already kind of like toasted in here, I'm gonna add our rice, our washed rice.
I got wet.
It's okay then. step, we're going to half slice our zucchini. So what I want to do is simply just cut it down the middle like that. And then you want to grab a spoon and you're just going to take off this
Access.
well, yeah, like the center of the zucchini, like the seeds of it, I guess, like that.
Perfect. Put it right here.
Careful. Okay, so this part is a warning. If your child is going to help you in the kitchen with cutting using a knife, of course, I don't have to tell you this, but just make sure that you are watching them and there is parental guidance and stuff like that. And just guide them on how to use a knife as well. And fun fact, the reason why Adriana wants to help in the kitchen and do things like this is because she wants to be a chef when she gets older. So she wants to start practicing. So again, like I said, we're just going to cut half of our zucchini and then we're going to remove the seeds from the middle. And that is pretty much it. So we're just going to fill our baking dish here. So now we're gonna wanna preheat our oven to 450. Then we're gonna wanna put our zucchini in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Going to add this tomato violin, and I'm only gonna add about
That made me cough a little bit.
2 tablespoons of it. You can add more if you like, but
We'll just squeeze a little
that's
bit.
enough flavor for me.
Yeah.
We just want to cover it and turn down our heat. I have it between 2 and 3, which is like a low medium. I'm so sorry, I was having trouble with my camera, but we're gonna make our pico de gallo, and I always go in first with our onion and jalapeno. I add some salt and pepper, and then I'll go ahead and add our lemon, so that way the lemon can cook the onion and jalapeno first, and then of course I go in with the tomato and cilantro last. Okay, so I just got our zucchini out. It is ready. So is our rice. It's looking delicious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start serving because it's just been a long video because my phone is acting up. But anyways, let's just go ahead and start serving because I am hungry. Okay, so first you're gonna wanna lay down your zucchini. Next, now you're gonna wanna layer your zucchini with some rice. You can add as little or as much as rice as you like. So I'm just gonna do it like this because this one's for my daughter. She gets first dibs because she helped. All right, so next we're gonna add a spoon of guacamole. Now again, as much as you like. My princess loves guacamole, so we're gonna add more on hers. And then next, right on top, we're just gonna add our pico de gallo. And since this might be spicy, I'm just gonna add 2 spoons of it. And then we're gonna add our crema. A little bit more. And there we have it. Our stuffed zucchini boats with pico de gallo and avocado crema and cilantro. Okay, and then here's mine. So let's go taste this. It looks so beautiful. And Adriana's. What you think, babe? Well, we already know it's good, right? It's delicious. Okay. So the best way to eat this is to grab a little bit of everything. So I like to mix it first, like the crema, the pico de gallo, and then we have some rice, and then our zucchini. Oh, this looks so good. So it's a little bit of everything. Fabulous in one bite.
After this, can I eat some more?
This is so good. You have to try it, right? Like, I think it's even family friendly. Like, your kids will love it. It's healthy, super easy and quick.
Well, it's not for me because I eat a lot.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys try it. If you do, let me know what you guys think. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks, guys.